Hi, this is Rehabilitation Center for Abandoned Dogs, Kobuleti, Batumi. Near the ball, two puppies. These puppies were very sick because one puppy had infectious disease and he contaminated, also infected other puppies. And now all puppies are improving their own health, and these two puppies who constantly were on the IV received glucose, proteins, fats, intravenous. Now they started to eat today. They are eating liver. This is only thanks to Miss Rachel Rock, because she supported this puppy. Thank you very, very much. Please join our social pages and view our walk, daily walk, 365 days per year. 2 European teachers, hundreds of rescue dogs on the land plot, except that we are feeding dogs on the roads. Thank you very much.